Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting episode of Digital Marketing T2 series. Now in this video, I'm gonna talk about a really simple way which you can follow to verify your domain name in Facebook Business Manager. Now for those of you who are not really familiar with what this domain verification is or what are the benefits that you can get, see, domain verification is simply the process of confirming the ownership of a domain name. For example, if you have specified your domain name in Facebook Business Manager, this is super important for you to confirm that you're the actual owner of the website. It actually helps you to prevent unauthorized or fraudulent use of your domain name. And once you complete verifying your domain name, you can actually gain access to some additional features, like you can configure the display of a domain in link previews, or you can also enable the use of domain level insights. And apart from these fantastic features, you can also configure sharing settings, which ensures that only authorized people can modify your domain settings or view your domain level insights. So with that said, let me just show you the super simplest way which you can actually follow to verify your domain name in just a couple of clicks. So anyway, as you could see, this is my business manager, and I'm gonna go ahead and visit the events manager section where I can give you a look at my pixel. So I will just click on events manager. As you could see, this is my pixel, and this particular pixel is connected with one of my websites which is built upon WordPress. So anyway, as long as you set up your pixel, click on this aggregated event measurement tab, and you will get to see a button called configure web events. Just click on this button. So now when you click the button, it will take you to a page where you can see all the domains that you have listed so far. And as you could see, I have already got my domain verified, right? And for you, it will show you like verification pending. And if you just click upon the domain name, Facebook will give you a couple of options to verify your domain name. Now, if you created your website on CMS platforms like WordPress, I will actually show you the exact plugin which will help you to get this done. And if your website is purely coded, what you can do is you can just simply download the HTML file, and you can just upload it to your backend, and it will help you to verify your domain name in just a matter of clicks. So now if your website is hosted on WordPress, you can actually use the option of meta tag to get your domain verified, right? So as long as you get your meta tag, what you need to do is just head over to your WordPress backend and just click on add new plugins and just search for a plugin called Pixel Your Site. So let me just search for the plugin Pixel Your Site. Awesome. So this is the plugin which will help you to verify your domain name. And for me, as you could see, like I'm already using this particular plugin, right? So I will just visit the section where I can actually like show you. Okay, so this is the tab. If you just click on Pixel Your Site, and you could see here a button called click for settings. So this is where you can actually paste the particular meta tag and just click on this save changes button to get your domain verified immediately, right? So this is the simplest way to verify your domain name if you're using WordPress. And if you're using any sort of coding process to build your website, as I said, like you choose that HTML verification method where you will need to download that particular file and you will need to upload it to your backend to get your domain verified. So that really wraps up the simplest way to verify your domain name in Facebook Business Manager. Now, if you have any question on this, please feel free to leave a comment below. I will definitely answer all your questions one by one. So that's what I wanted to share with you. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.